If you fill the pot only with soil, it becomes hard, affecting the growth of the plant. To prepare potting mixture, heap 1 part soil, 1 part sand or coco peat, and 1 part compost or vermicompost. Mix it thoroughly with a spade. Water holding capacity of the coco peat is excellent, which retains moisture for long in the pot. However, do not fill only compost or coco peat. Soil is necessary to give firmness to the media. Any soil is okay if fertile soil is not available. In such case, use more quantity of manure. Drainage hole is compulsory for any type of container. Put broken pieces of pot, stone pebbles, etc. at the bottom to avoid clogging of the drain hole. Otherwise, excess water may not drain, or soil and manure may come out with the water. Fill only 3/4 of the pot initially. Remaining 1/4 is to put manure at the time of flowering and fruit setting. See that the pot is full at cropping stage. Water the filled pot and sow the seeds or transplant the seedlings. Protect the seeds from ants if direct sowing is done. Take care of transplanted seedlings till its recovery.